Hello my intelligent friends, welcome to this fifth lecture on the topic of dissolution of partnership firm. This is the fourth problem we are going to solve. Following is a balance sheet of Swara and Swaraj as on 31st March 2018. Balance sheet is on 31st March 2018, capital account of Swara and Swaraj, general reserve, Swara's loan, partner's capital, partner's loan is there, creditors, bills payable, furniture, patents, goodwill, debtors less RDD, okay, RDD is also given, stock, bank. On 1st April 2018, the firm was dissolved. Swara took over patents at a value of rupees 2000. The assets were realized as under furniture 7000, goodwill 3000, stock 4000, debtors rupees 3000. Creditors were paid off at a discount of 10% and other liabilities were paid in full. Okay. Expenses for realization amounted to rupees 1500, which is borne by Swaraj. Borne nahi, borne. That means which is paid by Swaraj. Swaraj is taking the responsibility for payment of realization expenses. Prepare realization account, partners capital account and bank account. They have not asked Swaraj loan account, but we are going to prepare it because partners loan is not transferred to realization. Partners loan is maintained as a separate ledger account. So we are going to consider it separately. Okay. Then comes the next part. Let us consider observations. First observation, there are two partners, their names are Swara and Swaraj and their PSR is not given. That means it is assumed to be equal. Okay. On the liability side, balance sheet has Swara's loan, that is partner's loan. It is to be transferred to a separate account. Creditors and bills payable are going to be transferred to realization account. Which side? Credit side. And general reserve is to be transferred to partner's capital account in the credit side in PSR, because general reserve represents past undistributed profits, and past undistributed profits are always transferred to partner's capital account, credit side in their PSR. On the asset side, the balance sheet has debtors and RDD. So gross debtors will be transferred to realization account debit side and RDD will be transferred to realization account credit side. All other assets except bank will be transferred to realization account debit side, because bank is having its own separate ledger account. It will be transferred to bank account, and other accounts will be considered as a realization account debit side. Let me disappear from the screen. Partner took over one asset at agreed value. They have given adjustments. Swara took over patents and other assets are realized for cash. That is given in adjustment number 2. Creditors are paid off at a discount because the value of creditors in the balance sheet is 3000, but they are giving us a discount of 10%. That means we'll be paying them 300 rupees less. So we'll be paying them 2700 rupees. And bills payable are paid at book value because they have mentioned other liabilities were paid in full. So we'll be paying bills payable at book value. Good. And then they have told that realization expenses are borne by partner or paid by the partner. That means the responsibility of realization expenses is taken by the partner. So these are the points to be kept in mind. Let us prepare the ledger accounts. Realization account for 18 lines, and then partners capital account for 8 lines, bank account for 8 lines. Swara's loan account not asked by the problem, we are preparing it as a working note. Okay, 4 to 5 lines, not more than that. So bank account 8 lines, partners capital account 8 lines, realization account 18 lines. Pause the video, draw the accounts and then join me again. Okay, so let me now start, assuming that all of you have completed the drawing part. Okay, just a minute. Yeah, here it is. Capital account, first step, open necessary ledger account is over. Second step, transfer of assets and liabilities. Capital account will be transferred to partners capital account credit side. By balance brought down 6000 and 5000. By balance brought down 6000 and 5000. Then we have general reserve 2000 rupees. So it will be considered here by general reserve. General reserve represents past undistributed profits, so it should be transferred to partners capital, and the amount is rupees how much? 2000. Partners capital, it should be transferred in their PSR, which is 1000. Next, Swara's loan account 2000. It is having a separate ledger account, so we'll consider it in the separate ledger account. By balance brought down 2000. Now remember, if the problem tells you to pay Swara's loan, we'll have to pay it. If the problem doesn't tell you to pay the Swara's loan, still it will have to be paid in cash. And at which value? At the book value. Next, creditors and bills payable, they should be transferred to realization account credit side by creditors and by bills payable 3000 and 1000. So we'll write here 3000 and 1000. The name is by sundry liabilities. Creditors and bills payable. Amount in the outer column is how much? 4000. Khatam. Next item is now all items of liability side are complete. Let us consider asset side. Furniture, patents, goodwill, stock. All these items will go to realization account debit side. Debtors, be careful. We should ignore 3600 because that is a net amount. We should consider gross amount 3800 realization account debit side, and then RDD should be transferred to realization account credit side separately. 3600 are useless for us. Okay. So furniture, patents, goodwill, debtors, stock. Furniture, patents, goodwill, debtors, stock. Furniture, patents, goodwill, debtors, stock. Two sundry assets, and here there will be separate item called as by RDD. Okay. Amount of furniture is 6000, patents 1200, 6000, 1200, goodwill 2000, debtors 3800, stock is 5000. So let us take the total to the outer column. Out of 19,000 1200 are to be removed, then whatever amount remains त्याच्यामध्ये 200 rupees परत add करायचं आहे. This is the method which I had taught you in the first question also. Or you can take a simple totaling from the debit side. 6000 plus 1200, 6000 plus 1200, that is 7200, plus 2000, that gives 9200, plus 3800, that becomes 13,000, and plus 5000, that becomes 18,000. So the amount in the outer column is 18,000. Okay. Next point. RDD ची amount किती आहे? The amount of RDD is rupees 200. So we'll consider RDD on the credit side 200. And then they have told you bank account or cash account amount is rupees 1200. In the bank account we'll write to balance brought down 1200. So first step, open necessary ledger account is over. Second step, transfer of assets and liabilities over. Third step, now realization of assets. Realization of assets, they have told you Swara took over patents at a value of rupees 2000. Swara is the receiver, debit the receiver, patents are going out, credit what goes out. But now patents are not taken over at the time of a going concern, at the time of a normal business, but they are taken over at the time of dissolution. So everything will be considered in realization account. Entry will be Swara's capital account debit to realization account 2000. Swara's capital account debit side to realization account 2000. Second effect, realization account credit side by Swara's capital. Patents, amount is rupees how much? 2000. Next part. So Swara's capital account debit posting is done and realization account credit side posting is done. That means both the effects are shown. Next point is here. The assets were realized as under furniture 7000, goodwill 3000, stock 4000, debtors 3000. Assets were realized as under. Assets were realized as under. Cash is coming in and assets are going out. But this is not at the time of normal business. This is at the time of dissolution. So everything will be adjusted through realization. Entry will be cash account debit to realization account. Cash account debit side to realization, and realization account credit side to cash or to bank. By bank, sorry. To realization account, REALI SATION, realization account, and here it will be by bank account. By bank account, first one is furniture. Patents are already taken over. Next one is goodwill. Next one is debtors. Furniture, goodwill, stock and debtors. Okay. stock and then debtors. The amount realized from furniture is rupees how much? 7,000. Goodwill is 3,000. 7,000, 3,000, 4,000, 3,000. 7,000, 3,000, 4,000, 3,000. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. 10 plus 4 is equal to 14. 14 plus 3 is equal to 17. So we are getting rupees 17,000. Second effect of this 17,000 will be considered in what? Cash account or bank account debit side. We have already written the name. We are just required to give the second effect, 17,000. Okay. Next point. Creditors were paid off at a discount of 10% and other liabilities were paid in full. Creditors were paid off at a discount of 10%. So instead of 3,000 we are going to give 2,700. Creditors account debit side to bank account, that is realization account debit side, because creditors are now not staying in their own account, they are already being transferred to realization account. So we'll consider realization account debit side creditors and bills payable. Creditors are paid 10% discount, that means 2,700. How did we get 2,700? If you want, you can write it here, 3,000 minus 10%. Okay, and bills payable are paid in full, that means it is 1,000. So second effect will be in the bank account on the credit side of rupees 3,700. Bank account credit side by realization account 3,700. Next point. Expenses of realization amounted to rupees 1,500, which is borne by Swaraj. Now if nothing would have been mentioned, we would have considered that okay, realization expenses are also paid out of bank, so we would have considered creditors, bills payable and realization expenses together, and then we would have taken the amount in the outer column. However, it is clearly told that realization expenses are not paid by the firm from its own bank account. They are paid by the firm, sorry, they are paid by Mr. Swaraj. They are paid by whom? By Swaraj. So who is the giver? Swaraj is the giver, but expenses are of the partnership firm. Entry will be to Swaraj, realization account debit to Swaraj Capital, to Swaraj Capital. Amount is of what? Expenses. $1,500. Okay. Second effect is realized partners capital account credit side by realization. Swaraj is paying, so Swaraj capital account credit side 1,500. Don't write it in Swara column, please write it in the Swaraj column. Okay. Next. No other adjustments are there, so let us close the accounts now. Which accounts are to be closed? Realization account, yes, good. Then bank account, Swaraj loan account and partners capital account. Which account to be closed first? Obviously Swaraj loan account to be closed first, because we need to see whether any profit or loss is there or not. If nothing is mentioned, liabilities are paid at book value. That means Swaraj loan account will also be paid at book value. That means there is no profit, no loss, so there is no tension. Okay, and then Swaraj loan debit side to bank, so bank account credit side by Swaraj loan. By Swaraj loan account. Amount is how much? 2,000. And this account is tallying, there is no profit or loss, so there is no tension for us, nothing is going in realization account. Let us now close the realization account. Debit side is 18 plus 3 म्हणजे 21 plus 1 म्हणजे 22, साधारणपणे 22,000 23,200 च्या आसपास काहीतरी टोटलिंग आहे. क्रेडिट साइड 17 plus 4 plus 2, 17 plus 2 19, 19 plus 4 23. So it seems that credit side is heavy. Let us check the total clearly. Please check the total. Total of credit side is 4,000 plus 200 plus 2,000 plus 17,000. Total is 23,200, and here also 18,000 plus 3,700 plus 1,500, that is 23,200. So this is a problem where your realization account is tallying 23,200 on debit side and 23,200 on credit side. Okay, 23,200 on debit side and 23,200 on credit side. There is no profit, no loss on account of realization. Since there is no profit, no loss on realization, nothing will be transferred to partners capital account. Now let us close the partners capital account, find out their balance and transfer it to cash or bank account. Cash or bank account should tally. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7,000 and 5 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 7,500 because it is 1,500 in the last. Balancing figure is how much? 5,000 and 7,500. These are balancing figure, so let us put a circle around them, encircle the same to indicate that they are balancing figure to the examiner. It is not balance carried forward, but it is to bank account because now it is not a dissolving concern, it is not a continuing concern, it's a dissolving concern. For a dissolving concern, balance of capital account is not carried forward, but it is paid off. So by Swara Capital, by Swara's capital account, by Swaraj capital account. Swara capital account is how much? 5,000. Swaraj capital account is how much? 7,500. Let us take the total. Total of debit side is 17,000 plus 1,200 means 18,200, and total of credit side is 3,700 plus 2,000 plus 5,000 plus 7,500 is equal to 18,200. So that's how we have tallied this problem. I hope you are happy that your problem is tallying. Okay, very intelligent students you are, that you are tallying the problem carefully. Okay, very good. Just a minute, let me enlarge the screen so that you can see it properly, and then let me appear again here. What is the most important point of this problem? Most important point, that realization expenses are paid by one of the partners. Creditors are paid at discount. So the entry for creditors is going to, amount calculation of creditors is different, and then nothing is mentioned about partners loan, whether it is repaid or not. We should remember that it is repaid. And then last important point, that there is no profit or no loss in realization account, so partners capital account will tally as it is, okay, without considering realization profit or loss. Partners capital account should be transferred to bank account and bank account will tally. So that's all for this problem. Thank you very much. If you have any difficulty, don't forget to ask it in the comment section. Don't forget to share our channel, subscribe the channel, watch all the videos properly. Please solve the problems with me, and I'm very sure that you are going to get good marks in 12th standard examination. Okay, so thank you very much. In the next lecture I'm going to consider a little difficult problem. Bye bye.